Thank you for taking a look at our property here at 5559 Southwest Sequoia Drive, brought to you by Sleepstown Property Management. This home is just over 2,500 square feet, comes with 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Also comes with a 3-car garage. One of the spaces is actually double deep. You could get 2 cars in on that side. Here we have the bonus room. It could be used as a den, office. Has French doors and it's on the main level. This is one of 2 bonus rooms in this house. And then we walk over to the formal dining room area. And then from there we step into a nice open kitchen, plenty of space to move around so you're not bumping into anybody else. Comes with a dishwasher, stove, oven, built-in microwave, refrigerator. And you also have a pantry area. Tile countertops with a little bar area. And plenty of cabinet space. From there we will see the half bathroom on the main level. And your laundry room area with hookups for your own washer and dryer. There's a shelf for all your laundry needs, put your detergent, things like that. And here's a breakfast area, putting a little dining table on it. And it opens up into the living room. Living room comes with a gas fireplace, built-in bookshelves, and an open area that you can use for putting whatever you want to accent the living room. Backyard comes with a nice open deck, great for either entertaining or just enjoying the weather. And then as we head upstairs, we will first see the master bedroom. Master bedroom is a nice large open area. Comes with an accent shelf above it. Here in the master bathroom, you have 2 vanities, separate tub and shower area, and your walk-in closet is in it also. And here is our second bedroom. And our third bedroom. And the other full bathroom upstairs. And here is our second bonus room. Nice and large. You can use it as an entertainment area or whatever you like. If you have any more questions about this property, please call us at 503-489-7241. We can answer any questions you have and also schedule a private tour.